Hi right now. Right, so today I want to continue coding cards. I mean, I feel like now it's kind of end of January, and I know that I have to kind of take a pause at probably mid-March or sometime, because after that I'm going somewhere else where I do not have this computer. Which means it's very difficult for me to just code on Unity. Like my laptop is not very optimal for that. Yeah. I mean, I also kind of feel like there are things that I want to improve on, or I just want to fix. Like even not improve on. I want to fix, but it's kind of impossible to fix, or it would be much easier to just remake the whole thing. And that kind of means, well, at one point I decide if I'm going to remake the whole thing anyway, it makes more sense for me to kind of get as much done as possible, but not kind of get things that can be carried over done more, so that the things are kind of transferable when I work on the second version. There are things that are just not very transferable, or they are just I know if I fix them, whether I fix them has nothing to do with if I have to remake them. I would have to remake those things if I make a second version. That's kind of why I'm not fixing certain things, because I know that if I want to make a second version and improve various things, I would have to remake them. That kind of includes some of the layers, some of the hierarchies here. I know they're really bad, and I know they are very difficult, not difficult to optimize, but they're it's not a good design. But I mean, although it's not a good design, I know I'm going to remake them anyway. There's no point for me to fix them now, because I have to. It would save a lot of time if I just do them 6 months later instead of now. Okay, I was kind of recording what event cards I want to make. I think those. Right, I'm going to label them red because I do not plan to make them. I know that function is not very doable right now. What's next? 87 and 86. I also know that if there are for example 20 cards that I do not code among those 116 cards, that's kind of 1/6. It's okay. If I code it if I code it 80% of the cards, that is very acceptable, I think. Considering most of the cards I do not code right now, it's because either the event is too much, it just requires a whole new system to do this event, or the UI is just bad. If the UI are bad, I don't think I want to code them. I would rather improve the UI first than do it. But anyway, so target power loses all mercenaries unless they discard the card immediately. This is doable. I need to code the condition, but I think this is doable. I need to put on highlights for probably capitals or something. Yeah, I will first go to empty card and code the condition here. Oh yeah, yesterday I kind of watched the the first game of Secret vs. Enigma, and wisely decided to not watch the second game. I kind of feel like the second game would go that way, or I just don't think Secret will win. If they play like that, they are going to get 0-2. They cannot. So if any of the power has mercenary, then it's possible, I guess. For type 0, Right, lesson 6. Of course. The condition is any power has more externalities. If gm1.player is not equal to I, because I don't think anyone would try to get rid of their own mercenaries here. So let's see. I'll just boolean can't is equal to false. Okay, so if gm1 player not equal to I, then we for it j0 j less than 1 j plus plus if spaces gm dot element at j dot control power. I want regular power. Well, it doesn't matter because I mean I will do control power just to be safe because I know control power is a lot more consistent than regular power. That's what I know. Equals to I and spaces gm dot element j dot merge larger than 0, then return true. That I don't even need to. Yeah, I'll just return false here. I'm not sure how long I can stream like for here I stand because I'm kind of waiting for someone to reply to something. Like if they reply, it's most likely that I need to work on something like they ask for. It's just like I was hoping they would reply a bit sooner, but like I happen to be like still waiting for them, and I don't want to just waiting for them like endlessly. That just makes me feel very anxious. So like that's how I just feel like, oh, like I want to code here I stand anyway. It would be a lot better if I just make here I stand, like rather than like waiting for them, I guess. Okay, so here that is down then. This is the whole condition. But for 87, we the enumerator needs to check highlights again, I think. So it doesn't really spare us from like figuring out what mercenaries to wait, let me think about it. I feel like I should do more testing, but it's like every day I feel like I should do more testing, and like none of the days I actually do more testing. It's just me. But anyway, so 87. First, we probably need a loop that is very similar to this. So I will do a list. What's happening? Int pick spaces equals to new. And right, so for this one, pick spaces should add. Let's see. We could just add I. I really don't want this song. Wait, let me finish. Let's see, what song do I have? No, actually I don't have a lot. I've been introduced to some very nice rock bands recently. Yeah, that thing absolutely like doesn't happen that often, but no, I like yesterday's song. Yeah, I was playing it yesterday, but I figured I still want to play it more. Wait. I'm a bit unsafe about something. Okay, this is like, please don't do that. No, I absolutely do not know what's really happening. Never mind. I was a bit worried that some... Never mind, let me not look at that. So quick space at I, that's power. Wait, I could do that one thing though. Int array capitals. New int, let's see. Capitals. Wait, do I not have this? No, I actually don't have it. I thought in this file I defined like a collection of capitals. Then I guess if it's not here, then it's in GM2. Okay. Wait, I remember I defined it somewhere. Like where? But anyway, it's capital -1. Why do I just... Okay. Like here comes the part that makes me feel really confused, because I always like mess up this like 0 index and 1 index. Let me take a look here. 98. Yes, so it is 97. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, in that case, we can just define this array. 97. Wait, where? 97, 21, 83. 27. No, I don't think 83 is needed. It's 27, 41. 27, 41. Wait. I don't want Vienna because Vienna is not exactly at the right place. Yeah, I don't want Vienna for that one. I'd rather have 83 because that's in Spain, I think. Like in Spain, it's much clearer like which power are we dealing with there. 41, 65. And for that one, I'll just have 0 as way to go, because I mean, it's very unlikely that we'll run into that. So here we can add capitals. Okay, now we got it. Then we can do the highlights. Well, I feel like I want to play the second playthrough of Baldur's Gate. But I'm like not 100% sure what I want to play. I know I want to catch something that I missed, and I know I want to do a kind of a lone wolf play because I feel like this is kind of I don't even want to deal with the how do I say it? Like your teammates do not like you. Like I feel like I don't want to deal with that. Not like I don't want to deal with that, but I have to like balance that. I have to balance like a kind of like three teammates never agree with each other. Like if I want to play scale, I can never play Systerian. That's just the thing. Well, it is just I mean, it is kind of a more challenging playthrough. Definitely, I would need to plan for I don't know. I mean, it's good that this is a second playthrough. But I don't think the... Yeah, anyway, this is not here I stand. Let me continue this. This is not here I stand. And then I will do unknown layer. My typing ability has really got worse. So I'll highlight big spaces. Oh wow, highlights. Good. Okay, so if we selected some highlights, then let's see. Okay, unless it discard a card immediately. Okay, then this is kind of we unlock the, let's see. Yeah, I would unlock those two. And let's see. Well, I know I have to do this, but we do have a lot of gaps in between. Okay, the difficulty interaction part is that, let's see. First, we need to save the 10 players. 2 player, and here this will be a GM1 not player is equal to 10, and then on player change. Okay, now here's the difficult part. Let me use another int power. Yeah, so that we can also add the index there. It's high, and okay, so the see. I know for card number 4 we also do something similar, so see how we do it. Right, is this really what's happening? Okay, I'm like, do I understand? Yeah, this is a draw 2 cards, discard 1. On other button 1. Boolean state 0. Oh no. Wait card for HR Soul 3. Okay. How do I do the other button? I have a feeling that that part of the design is like not a good part. But okay, we have. It's hand 2, remove that. I wonder which part did we do it, or like. Yeah, honestly don't remember. I will just case 3 because I would have to case 3 here. I feel like the only thing we need to have is the number. But no, the weight is a bit more difficult in this case. Shall we do a count? No, we should not, because that is more expensive at that point. If we do it later, I think it would be a bit easier. Okay, here comes the part that I didn't really see to. Okay. Here we can't really get the. No, that's different. I don't want to do pray for CP because I know that's how things can be really messed up. Okay, so here they actually need to have a choice. No, let me not do this. Let me do gm1.player is equal to okay, powers highlight selected. No, spaces, index. No, it says index of. Index of. It's okay. It's okay if I write it this way. Okay, powers. Yeah, I know this is not a very good index, but it works. So gm2.unpaired change. Let me actually see if that part is okay. Okay, looks like that part is fine. I will enable the skip button. On skip card, let's see. This is case 87. Okay, so this one is for int I0 134 plus. And this is 087. See. The condition should stay the same. I just need to find the right code to copy and paste, I think. Right, this part. And for this part, we just spaces gm.elements j dot start equals to 0. And if regular equals to 0 and coverage equals to 0, then we reset regular power. Spaces gm plus. Oh, I think it's I, so the index is not right. Regular power equal to -1. Had a really crazy idea today. It's kind of, I don't know, I want to like write something. It's not a game, but like some kind of project that I feel like it would be super cool. But it requires me to learn like a lot more than I currently know. Like now I pretty much like know like 1% of what is required to do the thing. But I just feel like this is like really cool. Yeah, but anyway, like now I'm very conscious that I do not know how to do a lot of the things, so I certainly cannot start now. I need more training, I need more like preparation to make sure, or like to try to make the possibility of me not quitting like kind of as high as possible, because like often if you do not have enough support, like the only choice you have is to give up or you face some obstacle that you cannot overcome. I don't want that to happen, so I need more time to think about it, like if it's realistic. Like it's very possible that my idea is just not realistic if I do more research. Yeah, I feel like I kind of want to be sure about that, but let me do something here. I need another Boolean variable. This is HRS 083 has in fact. Waiting for HRS 083, 087. Let me actually go 60. I literally need a lot of Boolean variables if I want to. I mean, Boolean variables are enough to make all the weights. That's kind of what I did wrong before, because I didn't realize I need to use weight. No, I didn't realize I need to use Boolean variables to wait for those things. I use very inefficient ways to wait for things. It's false, and we should be okay. So at this point, GM2 skip card. It's 87. But I would also need to gm2.boolean states 50 is equal to true. While this is still true, we would yield return now. And for the other button, I don't know, do we want to make this, it's very difficult to make this thing though. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't want to do auto calculation, but it's very difficult to not do auto. Like the target tower chooses like which are kept is kind of the difficult part. I don't know how to make them work. Let me think about it. So for this button, let's see. No, I feel like the solution I come up with is not a good one. Yeah, it feels like I know what to write, but no, I don't know. Let me think about it. The scars. I mean, I know that would definitely. I don't like this. First hard object, and equals to new. Okay, this is kind of the bad part, or like I feel like the part that I wasted a lot of time. Okay, I think that's it. Like luckily that's it. Wait. Okay. So we discard the card and remove that. But we also need to record CP. Let's see, how do I record CP? The namespace is GM. Okay, he's like. Wait, do I use stack script every time? I guess yes. Oh, okay, that's a link queue problem. Okay, this is not difficult to fix. Wait, what? Okay, I never remember if this was a capital reference. Okay, nice that now it works. But mostly the thing is here. I kind of want to do the automatic discard because I feel like now like writing a constant discard is also kind of too much a problem. But anyway. So here, how do we get the CP? CP button script, I think. Okay, so this is the CP value. We could just get them. Okay, CP is equal to and element at CP. And at this point, let's see. We could do one thing. For int I is the 4 of course. Okay, a lot of familiar logic here. Control power equals to one dot player. Mark larger than 0, then let's see. Mark larger than 0, then C. I will just int array keep is equal to new int 6 2 4 6 10. I'll just use 50 because I don't think anyone can have 50 mercenary units. Yeah, just 50 50. If keep is, let's see, count is equal to 0. If keep is larger than count, I will do less than, like if keep is less than count, then element at I merc is equal to 0 and count plus equal this. Yeah, else is probably okay. And in that case, let me do an unchanged mercenary at the end. Yeah, right, another unchanged merc. Index power. Okay, so this is two unchanged merc. GM1 player. And that is also a place that we might have to do. Wait, I need to reset something. Right, this part. Like, if I just reset the mercenary, I might do this. But apart from this, it's pretty straightforward, I feel like. Yeah, there must be something wrong with the logic, where I feel like something. But for now, I don't see anything wrong, so we just assume there's nothing wrong, like until, like if I see it wrong, then I will correct it. It's just now I don't see it. Then let's see. 50 is equal to false. And I also disable skip. Yeah, I will just do the GM2 on deactivate skip. In turn, that one should disable other. Right here. Okay, so if I do that, we should go past this and player change. Remove card. Chosen card on chosen card. Okay, I feel like this is right. It's very likely that this is not right. I do feel like there are too many gaps in this one to make me feel safe about my implementation. But now I don't see why obvious it's wrong. Like when it's wrong, I know I will know it. It's just not now. Right. Actually, for other, what can be played for other? Wait, does activate other doesn't do the interactable thing either? Then where do we do the activate? I'm a bit confused about what's really going on. Let's see. This is not 3A, this is 4. Yeah, on other button. One. Apparently on other button 1 is enough. Really? Not like really, but yeah. We only get the other activated and then we get the index. Like, where do I set interval to true? Wait, if I don't even set it to true, how does the... Okay, I'm very confused about how that works, to be honest. 90, let's see. Alright, this is keep CP. But apart from that, everything looks okay. Okay, what is this? Knights of Central. I do not know which marker they have. Is this something that I should know? I feel like I should know which marker it is. Can't find it. Or like I just don't know which one it is. Where? Like, wait, where is the marker? Let me see. Because I just don't know what exactly it looks like. Oh, independent. Okay, independent regulars. Then let's see. Land regular, do we have it? No, I don't think we have it. If we don't have it, then let's go to this folder. This one. Okay, is this the only one? Right, that is the only one. For this one, let me think about it. It is possible for us to just treat it as, let's see. What is them? I thought there's just one. How is there like them? But apparently there is just one, so let's see. I will just put them here because I don't think I have any other alternative that will need this. 86 is pretty much, let's see. 86 do have some kind of condition though. I also need 87 to... And 3.8 times 86. Yeah, now I'm kind of replying to...
Something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. Yeah, the memories are all we have. The framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train.
Okay. So the place is kind of here, TC. If the knights are on the map, let me do this. Let me use another variable. I also want to see the rulebook, like where else do we need the knights? Here, Catholic land units. Okay, that's only one. Yeah, that's only one, so that's kind of it, I guess. Since I cannot spell right now. So and map, right? So let's see. Empty card is like if gm2 boolean states um 51. So this means it's on map and not under siege.
Something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. Yeah.
So let's see if this is on the map, else we'll just return false. If which where is if gm2.in states 11, this is spaces gm.element.
Something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. Yeah, the memories are all we have. The frame in our minds had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train, yeah. The memories are all we have, they're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. A world we were on top of, had the promise that we would reach our dreams. Who knew that in time they slip away from us? We were young and brave and free. Young and brave and free. At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The memories are all we have, they're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still
Okay, anyway, so if space is element, that's yeah, I was kind of replying and just see like what I need to do, but anyway.
slip away from us and our youth grow up?
It says 11 sieged. Territory false. Okay, so this is let's see. Connected by one C zone to an Ottoman controlled port. So the problem is if Habsburg like somehow got the knight there, then it's not going to work. But most likely here. I will just add data to do because for now, to do. Connected by one C zone to Ottoman port. We had it all figured out. It's different now. Got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. Okay, anyway, so wait, if that is not even the case, then we can just return true. Okay, so HIS go. 86. I will use our enumerator because I think one alternative definitely needs our enumerator. 86. And I mean, I also kind of read like no, I also have already written the. Let's do this. Wait, why is... Okay, 87 should not be a remove card. Right, 87 is definitely not a remove card. 85 is. It's a discard by ID. Okay, 87.
something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train, yeah. The memories are all we have, they're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. A world we were on top of, had the promise that we would reach our dreams. Who knew that in time they slip away from us? We were young and brave and free. Young and brave and free. At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The memories are all we have, they're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. How long was I sleeping? Did you wake me? It didn't feel like that long. Who knew that time would slip away from us and our youth go up in smoke? Youth go up in smoke. At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The memories are all we have, they're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train.
So anyway, so here we are writing 86. Why are we kind of stuck on 87? Here. Yeah, I'm talking with a person who kind of offered me a lot of like help on Here I Stand. Like a lot of times I was like working through to-do list, or like I was kind of working on something as if I definitely know I need to improve it. It's mostly because that person helped me a lot on like giving feedback or just in general, like telling me things that I otherwise would not get input on. I'm very grateful for that person. I feel like that person taught me a lot, and I mean I'm also kind of not like kind of in debt, because it's kind of I just like went up to that person, like asked for a favor to like please give me input. Like it's this kind of thing. Like we didn't even know each other like that well before this, so it's kind of a huge favor to ask, and that person actually agreed and like told me all this like kind of like very very valuable input. It's just yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of like I wish I could be more of use to that person than that person to me, because like Here I Stand like really rely on input. Like because before I just have like 0 person giving input, and with that person it's kind of at least like 1 person giving input, and that person is quite outspoken. So yeah, I'm just very very grateful for that. But we weren't talking about Here I Stand. Like we well, if I were to like just ask for like Here I Stand help, it would be like not full time. But anyway, Ignite or off map. This is an if. Give 2 dot boolean space. 51, I think. Else. So else is a GM2. This is percent from not on map. Boolean states, and 51 is equal to true. So now we just need to find the Habsburg-controlled home port. Then switch to independent political control, and the fortress is added to the space. So for I will just pick spaces then. Right, I equals 0, I equals 0, 34. Not like what I was expecting, but I thought I was accepting. How do I represent the port? Okay, final port. Wait, I can just find port Habsburg.
Sleeping, did you wake me? It didn't feel like that long. Nowadays I just sleep in. Life is different.
Okay, so we select the highlights. Let's see. Okay, so spaces, GM, element. How to add fortress?
Time will slip away from us and our youth go up in smoke. Youth go up in smoke. At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. Sit for now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The memories are all we have. They're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. How long was I sleeping? Did you wake me? It didn't feel like that long. Nowadays I just sleep in. Life is different. Thought I'd never get old. Sometimes I'm just missing being reckless. We were indestructible. Who knew that time would slip away from us? At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train, yeah. The memories are all we have. They're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The world we were on top of had the promise that we would reach our dreams. Who knew that in time they slip away from us? We were young and brave and free. Young and brave and free. At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The memories are all we have. They're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. How long was I sleeping? Did you wake me? It didn't feel like that long. Who knew that time would slip away from us and our youth go up in smoke? Youth go up in smoke. At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. The memories are all we have. They're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train.
No, actually, let me play a little bit. Yeah, like a little bit of overwatch, because I think my mind is not really on coding right now. Okay, if I try to code more, I think my mind is probably just not working. Okay, let's see. Scripting hacking for clockwork. Okay. Let me actually go to the bathroom and get some water because now just no water right now. Yeah, hold on. I am looking at something else right now. Let me. Okay, anyway, let's see some hacking going on. Staken. Dagon Braidmail. How do you hack with? Oh wow. Like auto Dagon. I feel like I'm going to look at some auto dig now. Okay, this is an empty one. Okay, how is this one hacking? Okay, just like immediately got the word, but I wouldn't call that hacking. That's just literally got the word. Didn't even use Dagon. What is so special about this part? It kind of played well, but I...
Boom, there it goes. Jackpot. Coming in.
What is this marker for? I just feel like this marker is not doing anything. Like, what is this one for?
Incoming.
Didn't even reach anyone. Why? Yeah, it didn't even reach anyone. This is just like really random marker here.
I'll take that.
Illusion. Players here.
Invisibility.
Rock it on. Boom, there it goes.
Okay, what is this one about? Nothing about this one, or like I don't really see anything. Wait, I absolutely did not see what's really happening. But that's still kind of nothing happened.
Invisibility.
Okay, I feel like a lot of those markers are for wards. Like they feel like they're hacking. Yeah, like wards.
I'll take that.
But is it true, or like is this what's really happening?
Players here.
Invisibility.
Yeah, that's basically dewarding. Like, why would they feel like this is like dewarding kind of hack?
Rock it on.
Yeah, I mean he's kind of actively like painting this, but I don't think it's necessarily that.
Boom, there it goes.
Not very fair. I mean, this is certainly a very, very good silence. But I don't think Crawford did anything special. I will say not enough evidence, because it is also possible that they are like hacking somewhat, but I just don't know what exactly this guy is hacking for. I feel like my ability is not there yet. I cannot recognize what this guy is hacking for. Like I cannot also say like no, this guy is definitely not hacking because some of the vision is. I mean, this guy is good at getting the words, but I just don't know if it's hacking. Not sure. Okay, griefing.
A little something extra for the effort. Amazing what you
Did he
found
destroy
tonight.
the items? Like my question is mostly about like did he destroy items?
Radiant should look to their bottom tower. Precious bounty. Radiant's bottom tower has been denied.
I mean, he didn't destroy any of the items, so this is this is a good thing.
Dire should look to their top tower. The dire glyph is now active. Dire's top tower is under attack.
What is griefing? I mean, this is not the best way to play this hero, but it's not griefing, I think.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Wait, what? Okay, now here's some briefing. Okay, nice. Oh, this is like very active briefing. Or like this is like more active than I was on. Okay, I don't think I need to watch that much more. Like very active briefing here. And also on rank, now safe lane like position 1 Sark, very active briefing. Okay, I am surprised. I think that will be one. Do I want to? I feel like I don't want to really watch a lot of overwatch cases either. I don't know. Let's watch a little bit more. Spectre. Oh, Scarce Mage. That is a familiar one. We sometimes just see some wild Scarce Mage reported hacking. But I don't see one reported hacking this early that often. Oh, it is not fair to report a level 3 Scarce Mage for hacking, I feel like. And this one is even playing support. I mean, like really playing support in the beginning, not like fake support. It's like really playing support. That's surprise.
Have fortified their structures against attack. Radiant's middle tower has been denied.
What is this one about? And every Scarce Mage is like playing position 1 here because somehow Sniper went. I don't know when, like why he went like jungling, but somehow he was jungling. It looks like the. I mean, he's going to die. The first marker just didn't show anything. Yeah, no, it's daytime, and I don't think you can get Invoker unless Invoker is incredibly bad.
Illusion. Dire's top tower is under attack.
the Sand King would get him. Yeah, I was like, Sand King. Wait, what? Okay, I feel like sometimes people just report out here for hacking for no reason. Like, like if they want to really report this guy for hacking, just ping some real places that this guy's hacking. Like, don't just ping like random places. They're like pinging random places for hacking, and it's never going to work that way. Yeah, I'm like, I honestly don't understand. Like, if you feel like people are hacking, like, pin team fights. Like, this is not even team fight. I cannot see what's really going on. All I'm seeing is just this guy like walking around. Like, I mean, this one is not even accurate. Okay, that team fight also doesn't look like hacking. Like, he didn't time it perfectly. I feel like he's just like looking for spells as I would do. Like, I feel like his level is like quite close to my level. Like, that's why I don't feel like particularly hacking. Like, I know you don't need to hack to get to my level. Yeah, see, like... okay, he's kind of trying to save... Wait, this marker doesn't make sense. Okay, this marker just absolutely do not make sense. Wait, this is a bit too panicky. Yeah, this doesn't make much sense. Wait. Why does Scarlet trick that? He was hacked. And everything's happened super fast, but... I don't think that's the right movement, or I just feel like that movement is a bit suspicious. Yeah, I didn't think he was hacking, but from that movement I'm very unsure why his camera works like that. Yeah, this is mostly Invoker hacks. But besides Invoker hacks, there is something else that is suspicious. Or like, I don't know if that's supposed to work that way. I also don't like the display. Like, the display like forces me to look at the minimap. Like, I don't really see what they see, I only see the minimap. And the minimap sometimes got really, like, the color looks really weird. I also don't see any like towers, and it's a bit of a mess.
Dire's bottom tower is under attack.
I mean, Scarlet Mage is really like playing on 4. That's kind of what I like don't want to suspect hacking, kind of, because like Scarlet Mage 4 doesn't really have much capacity as hacking, and he's like really playing support Q support. So things are like as expected. The camera looks really suspicious though. Like that camera looks, I don't know, maybe it's just a bit desperate, because like sometimes when people are like desperately trying to escape, they would just like randomly click home. Like I know some players do that. I don't do that. Like I always want to see where I am, but I know some players just like panic clicking home. I think here is another marker place. I mean, this is also... It's just a bit difficult to judge. I'm just very unsure why his camera is so far away sometimes. That just makes me feel like, kind of suspicious about what's really happening. Like that camera's too far away for anything to really work. Like maybe this is just how people see things, but like that is kind of the only suspicious part. Like sometimes his camera just like floats very far away when he really needs to know where he is. But that kind of happens when he wants to escape, and he doesn't have a blink dagger, so... I mean, without a blink dagger, I just don't know how you would hack. This is a panic click, I think. Yeah, this is panic click. And not a good one. Yeah, I don't think this is a hack. This one literally just panic clicked that at the wrong time, at the totally wrong time.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
This also looks suspicious. I mean, it is support player.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Yeah, if it were me, I would also go home. Like, there's just no way to play that. And I mean, that's kind of a good fight. That's a very good fight already. Okay, what is strange then? Still not reached the battle. Okay, now he's here.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack. Radiant's middle tower has fallen.
Yeah, I mean, out of all people, why is Scarlet Mage playing for hacking? I think there's like so much more hacking potential for other heroes. Like, this is a real position for Scarlet Mage, not even a fake one. Like sometimes you will see a lot of like fake Scarlet Mage 4. Like that actually, like if you want to hack, that's actually a good opportunity, because you can kind of easily outfarm position 1 too. Like if you use a hack. But if you really play position 4, it's just a bit more difficult, I feel like. How dare this one? Just, I'm not sure if it's a good idea. that. A lot of dusts. And actually a lot of nice invoker play. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now it just gets a lot more crazy. But this is possible, this fight is still doable. I think it's the right choice to buy back. This is a right buyback. No, not really. Okay, then it's going to die. Or like most likely going to die. Like if it doesn't die, it cannot defend. Now it becomes a lot more tricky. Unless he like pulls off a 1v4. But I mean, yeah, they didn't get to the mid phase, so it is actually a lot better than I would thought. Yes, that's not going to work. But he kind of knows he has to go fast. If he doesn't go fast, it's just over. And to be honest, like a lot of this is kind of over. Because they have to have Mars or Tiny, they cannot defend with those two. I feel like the position for Scar's Mage, like even if you have at this point, it's too late. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is just really, really bad. I mean, Scar's Mage played better than his teammates. And sometimes the camera movement is strange. But I feel like Scar's Mage, like if you have Ace Lance, it is possible to play this way, or like that is the hero with such range that can enable you to do this. I mean, they're going to lose. I don't think they can win this one. Like unless they just team wipe the other team. And even so, I don't think Scar's Mage can play that well to kind of save this. Yeah, Sniper didn't play well. If Sniper played better, maybe the scene would be better. It's not going to be enough to get... Okay, actually 4 stuff is a good one. But a bit short on gold. Okay, 141. But if it doesn't go, then it's just over, I think. It has to like go now. It has to go now. Oh no, it's going to die. Wait, no, not really. No, it's going to die. What is hacking? Like, don't just randomly report people for hacking. Yeah, I personally do not understand. Because like nothing is hacking. And they just literally report people for hacking. Okay, I think that's all of the Overwatch cases. Is there anything interesting? Not really. Skitter, Gork, Smell. TF, Cyrus, but nothing particularly interesting. I feel like I miss the days where like those like pros would kind of team up for battle. It's just like no, it never happens. But anyway, I would like to code a little bit more. By a little bit more, I mean finish 86. At least finish like 1/2 of 86. Should I continue playing some music? Yes. Total power is equal to 10. And Gen 2, I also need to change the spaces gm.element. How do I make a fortress?
At 20-something young, we had it all figured out. It's different now, got so much more to think about. Oh, why can't it still be the same? Can't stop this runaway train. Yeah. The memories are all we have. They're framed in our minds like photographs. So why can't it still feel the same? Can't stop this runaway train.
Let's see, how do I do it? For space gm. What marker does fortress have? Okay, so this is kind of HCM. HCM is either 1 or 2, so if gm1 not religious, okay, this one. Is equal to 0. Space is gm dot element dot selected dot control marker equals to 1. Else equals to 2. So now we are ready to add, let's see. I think that's control marker display, if I'm not mistaken. But that one doesn't really... Do we have an independent space? I feel like we don't have independent space. Right, for that one we don't have markers. Dependent. Okay, we would need this one, and we will need this one. Actually, let me get all those 4. And if that is the case, wait, independent. Okay, wait, we already have those. Ah, that's my fault then. I didn't realize we already have those. Okay, that's good. Do we have the objects then? Okay, so this is actually 24 or 25. Then it works. Then it should work. Well, I will do it on remove space and then think about it. Yeah, I can't do on remove because remove only takes 1 parameter and that would work. gem2 move space. I'll add space. Index power marker. Highlight selected 10 and this. Okay, so now we added that marker. We also need to add. Yeah, we need to add that thing, and the fortress is added to the space. Okay, I guess we have more else if here. If spaces dot, no, not that one. Let's see, so wait, not there. Dot space type. So if dot space type is, I think the only possibility is like if it's 1. No, if it's 0. So if it's 0, then I don't think it's called 0, it's called space type 0. And then it's 3 and 4, I think. Then we flip it. Then we add the knights onto the map. That is kind of a add space marker thing, I guess. And here I would have to reset map. Or maybe I don't have to reset map because this one resets. I don't think this is an instantiate, so let me get some. Let me get this. Let's see. New game object. Nice. Sometimes I just miss it, being reckless. We were indestructible. Who knew that time? Wait, okay, we also have this. Oh, it doesn't matter, it's a JPEG versus PNG thing. I'll destroy this. Okay, so for this one, we would get the highlight selected. And 34 is okay. Set parent, I want to set it as land view display. Game object find dot transform. Okay, I guess that's a way to do it. Okay, so draw a card at random for Ottoman and contribute CP value to St. Peter's construction. And dot count is larger than 0. And that's good. And look, ID is equal. This is basically if you only have one card and that, wait, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that is okay actually. It's equal to let's see. St. Peter's. Wait, let me think about it. I need to get the CP value. Oh, to get the CP value, I just really need to see the object structure. Yeah, .cp. .cp is okay, but do I know how to? I don't know, or I'm like still looking for that. Just wait. Don't remember. Okay. Larger than the script. Random index dot cp. If it's larger than 0, then plus plus minus equal 5. And then I would need to discard. Script. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, this is not well tested, but it is kind of there. Oh, 97. What did I decide for 97? Oh, 97 is a mandatory. Not a mandatory event, but it's a special event. Can't do that fast. Okay, this is also a turn 3, so I just okay, let me think about it. Is there something that I can do very fast? I can do the empty card very fast. So if index is equal 97, so if gm1 dot policy state and that is 3, and I can find it. No, I cannot find it. Let me not spend that time to find it. Let's see. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, but that one is kind of okay. Ignore event. Not like feels like it doesn't matter, but it feels like it does matter, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm not going to code it. It's just I feel like why would I code this card now? I don't feel much like incentive to play to code this card. What about 84? Because after 84, there are quite a lot of cards that we already coded. Ah, okay. For very certain, like for very like definite reason, because I didn't implement parsley. I have to mark this as red because it's just not possible for me to not implement parsley while writing this card. But I can write this card very fast because I mean, it's kind of if it's not there, then it's not there. Yeah, I will just public void as void 4. Yeah, it is just not very easy to remove from deck. Okay, then quite a lot of okay, this one's not difficult to write either, but I don't want to write now, so let me just stop here for today. And I mean, we kind of covered most of the cards there. 110. Is it possible to do 110? No, this is Foreign War. 110 is not possible because 110 is Foreign War. Okay, I'm still not sure if I can write it. And those, okay. I think this is also a very tricky one. And that, let's see. Yeah, those two are. Those two are kind of easy to write. I will write them pretty soon. But I really think this is it for today. I really don't have energy to do more, and I also need to do some other stuff. So that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow, I guess.